How to automatically silence the application on your iPhone. Hello everyone and welcome. In today's video, I will show you how you can automatically mute almost any application. Let's say I have an application for which we don't want to hear any sound. Maybe it's a game or just an application that makes sounds that bother us. Every time we open it, we would have to mutate our phone. This process can be automated. How? Open the Shortcuts application on your phone. When the application opens, select the automation option from the bottom menu. When the section opens, tap on the New Automation button. In the list of options, we need to find the App option and tap on it. Here we can select the application for which we want to do something, as well as whether we want it to happen when we open or close it. We select the application by tapping the Choose button. I'm going to select the Books app and tap the Done button in the top right corner. Also, the last setting on this page that we will make is Run Immediately, so that this option is executed immediately. The next step is to tap the Next button. In the new window, we will select the New Blank Automation option. In the Automation window, we will select the action we want and tap on the Add Action button. In the search field, we will type Set Volume and select the option of the same name. We will set the volume to 0%. All that's left is to tap the Done button in the upper right corner. And that's it now. Whenever we open the Books app, the media volume will decrease completely. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more iOS tips, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update from us. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.